Guys, good day everyone. It's the first day of June, and actually, this is me taking a clip before I receive my payout. I already requested for it. I already got approved, but I still have to create my Rice account, and I don't have my team number yet, and it's currently under process. So yeah, I already requested it, so we can already trade. You can see my balance here is down 50% since I took the max that we can do. And we're just gonna, risk pretty lightly today, preferably. We'll just be risking um pretty low. Like, I want to blow this if ever two trades away. So we're gonna be risking around under 400 on each trade. But if it's over 400, we might go on micros. But yeah, honestly, I'm just trying to go for winning days right now. So yeah, this is actually a pretty obvious strong liquidity today. Looking pretty bearish. We have this 4 hour intermediate low. We also mark this hourly intermediate low, but it's not as major. But it's a low that we can maybe go break even on too, depending on where the price manipulates. But I'm gonna create here until 15-minute gap, and I'm anticipating the price to rally higher first, kind of like this, and go lower. But before that, let's turn on the executions. I just want to show the trade that I took last time to um. Can I still see that? I should, right? Or if it's a different cycle, I cannot see it. Oh, it's a different cycle. I cannot see it no more because I took it around London session on I think Thursday. I think that was a Thursday or Wednesday, something like that. And I just like took oh yeah, I remember it was around here. Wait a second. It wasn't this big, obviously. Oh yeah, there you go. Um, I didn't post it or anything because it's just me really trying to get a winning day. Where was that? Oh my gosh, I can't see it. It was around here. Wait a second, I'm gonna double check the time so it can be accurate here. It's the proof of my execution. It was 12:10. I did actually executed it. Wait a second, I'm gonna show you the actual executions while I was in the trade. There you go. I was in the trade here. It was 12:10. So it was this long. There you go. So we had this inversion, boop, long here. With initially my stops just under this low, kind of like this. Then when it was going lower, I just put it here because I was risking pretty low. And I was aiming that for 15 minutes, but I got the winning day here, so I just literally got the winning day. It was negative RR, but technically it was a negative RR. But initially, I wouldn't really get stopped out. My stop loss were like this, and I mean that would still be 1-1. But nonetheless, that's already done. Let's go on market open. I'm gonna be more on a chill day today, guys, because not really looking for a trade, but if a trade presents itself, you know me, I'm always prepared. What? Okay, so it's looking good. We can see some sort of manipulation higher. When we manipulate higher for market open, then yes, just maybe an SMT on it. Anywhere where I can just short Nasdaq, you know me. Where somewhere I can short. Somewhere I could short Nasdaq. Oh my gosh. We don't have the full manipulation yet because we want it to be the central 15-minute gap, but yes, it's so close, dog. We should be bearish, right? If a 30-second closes here, 300. No, we're still trying to fight this thing. Wow. Actually, a long here isn't bad. Wherever the close of the 15 was, just clean 1-1, and you're done in the day. You can limit actually here, 3341. Oh, it's already taken. It's actually really good. If you took it here, stop loss would be like 3325. Where was that? The fill's at around 3358. Stop loss would be like 3331. Oh, it's less than 1 to 1. Never mind. Could be a lot cleaner, definitely. So yes, just took this until 15 minutes. Let's see if we're gonna remain bearish from here. 30 seconds from here is really clean in my opinion. We're so bearish in the day. Set of lows, hourly intermediate low, sell side liquidity, just resting the downside. Tap until 15-minute gap. This reboot is kind of laggy. ES is edging this sell side liquidity. Yeah, we should go lower. Wow, we're still going higher. Really interesting, huh? Can edge an hourly intermediate low like that. All right, okay, 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 okay. This is pretty strong, actually. I might switch to M and Q. Not gonna lie. We might switch to M and Q today. So let's actually mark out real things here. So in case we flip, we're good. Yeah, hourly should be fine. Marking out the hour gap. Because that's a series of highs. What's happening with the connection, boys? Like, why is it so laggy? Currently, we're holding a bearish SMT on that 15-minute gap, but if this 15-minute candle flips, I mean, what can I do? That just flipped. We don't want to go lower anymore, boys. We got to tap this hourly, then maybe go lower. Maybe we just went to that volume imbalance, but technically, we still might reject on this equilibrium of this 15-minute gap. Still definitely possible. There's a 30-second here that we can inverse. Bro, we're so lagging. We're not even connected to our trade today. We're that laggy, dog. Oh, yeah, still pretty laggy. So we're not gonna keep that anymore. Yeah, I'm definitely staying to M and Q now. Um, this is not my original plan that's happening, but doesn't mean it won't work. It's definitely still setups on the day. We just catch which one likes us. So there's no more 15-minute gaps. We're currently delivering to the equilibrium to 15 minute. So if we reject, I do believe shorts are still definitely viable. But there definitely is a highest time frame inversion now, which could be the 3-minute gap, because it will close pretty soon. I don't want to short here. Even if there's a 30-second, it looks so clean. Like, where's the close would be? Like, what right here? Like, after this candle, then I still don't want it though. But it just looks so good to short. Like, what is this edge sell sell liquidity? Yes, I mean, it's not necessarily edge, but 3 points. Like, dog, just allow us to short it, Jonathan. Just allow us to short it. But yeah, if we're gonna remain bearish, definitely this is our TP right here. This we still have this sell liquidity. That's if we're still gonna respect bearish pre raise. But if we're not, um, I'm not gonna flip quite yet. I'm gonna definitely flip when like we have continuation longs. I don't want to enter off of this 5-minute long. This is a little too big of a stop on my liking. When you say, they're not put this stop here. Still don't like it. It's too big. Too big, too big, too big. It's too big. And, we could still easily go down to that low. But this is definitely LRs, which looks pretty good. I'm leaning towards flipping my bias as soon as this 50-minute gap flips. If this hasn't flipped yet, I would be just chilling. So I'm just gonna wait for 9:45 open, then I'll go for this 9:40 because this would be an open 5-minute candle. As for now, it's a 3-minute. So I'm just gonna be reading my book. Currently, guys, I've been reading Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. I just finished habit one, which is about proactiveness. It's the ability as well as the knowledge that you are always in control. You are, you always have the choice. There's always stimuli that will be coming in your way, but it's always the response to that stimuli. A bad thing can happen in your life, but if you perceive it as something good, it will be good. So, you know, um, it's always upon your choice. It's always upon your response that would determine, the course of your life. So, it's gonna be reading. This isn't the highest probability ever. Some people might have taken this 15 second. It looks decent, but it pumped, so I wasn't able to hop in on it. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for at least the 5 minutes to open up and decide from there. So, boys, we're getting a little bit of action right now, and it seems like we're holding this higher time frame bearish SMT, and we might still be bearish because the 15 minutes is still technically holding, if you can see. So much wicks here. We'll see how this 5 minute reacts. Uh, what's a indication now? I wasn't even looking on the charts. Top one is I didn't even see there was an inversion here. Um, yeah, I didn't even see. And bro, it's literally on macro. Like, if you would enter, bro, it would literally be on macro. I would definitely limit order this. Like, stop like right here, and like TP on until 5 minute, wherever that until 5 minute. Because there's no 3 minute, there's no 2 minute as well. Um, yeah, 1 minute right there, or even less, probably like risking 300, something like this. It's making a grand, yeah, kind of like that. But yeah, there's a sign I'm not looking at the charts. Because if I was looking, then yeah, I would have taken this. But then again, I'm not looking. I saw that when I was like, oh, why is the charts dumping? Say, bro, why, bro? First of all, we're already holding SMT from this. It's like, it's not a relevant high, in terms of time based, but it's a major high if you look at the perspective of what this shit look like. For pattern traders, you would say this shit is like a data high or some sort, like a low impact data high. But yeah, let's see if this 5 minute holds. If we just suddenly flush to the upside like a butter, then yeah, we're definitely getting longs out of this. But right now we're not really reacting so much here, so we might not be getting this type of long that I'm visualizing at the current moment. Currently visualizing this long right now with like 10 minis. No, I mean like 6 minis. Yeah, definitely visualizing that like just 6 minis. Maybe 7 minis, just seven. Looks pretty good, right? But I don't think it's gonna happen today. We're gonna flush wherever my first goal was, which was this goal. Where was that? This two lows, this one, and this hourly intermediate low. That's gonna be the draw on liquidity for the day. I don't know. What if 10 a.m. just bloops, bloops, bloops? But we gotta manipulate if ever the 10 a.m. opens. So whoever took this, I think my friend took this, guys. I'm not gonna lie, like that. For me, I would limit it. Like this. When like the stops are too thin, I aim for this. I don't go like really, really tight stop unless this candle already closed. There's gonna be exceptions how I do stuff. 5 minute. So yeah, really clean trade here if I was able to take it. It's like hop in, be in the trade, go to break even right away, and we're not thinking at all. Um, and we're cruising, but yeah, I wasn't able to spot it because again, I wasn't on the chart. So if I would even have a next flip here, it's because we just opened until 5 minute right now. The 15-minute gap still have 5 minutes to close. If this is gonna be a strong close, because this is like a V shape here on the 15 minute. If this is gonna remain a V shape, then yeah, for cowboy traders, they might have took advantage of this retrace type shit, but for 30-second or 15-second traders, or maybe 15-second traders, shorted the heck out of this. Would I do it? Nope. It would still work, in my opinion. It would work. Like freaking shorty here, TP here. Because it's an unfilled 5 minute. The market would go there. Like for me, I would wait the market to go there. But if I was here, I would already be in break even because I was already up what 25 points. So I hope I don't get stopped down break even. The enter would be at the 15 second, like right here. So I wouldn't get stopped out yet. So like pretty much like what part is this? 34.38. Okay, kind of like that. So pretty safe here, if you may, right? But I'm not doing that, bro. I don't trade that. Looks good actually. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty top ticky. Looks pretty top ticky. It's like a type of thing that I would do when I'm just bored type shit. Wanted to like top tick type shit. Like it's like a trade that I would do with one mini or like two minis. Oh, oh yeah, I would do that for two minis. Could we do that? Yeah, I would do it for two minis. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I would do it for two minis, guys. Can we get the retrace onto this for two minis? Gonna give me a winning day. It's gonna give me a winning day. Can I get two minis on this? Two minis, two minis. Oh, two minis, I mean two micros. I think it's still gonna go higher because there's still a 15-minute gap. You can even kind of like reduce it down. Or maybe go the I think go here, then here. Yeah, there you go. Then two minis. Two micros. There you go. Two micros from there. Just stop ticket. Look at this. Say you move the way you move the mountains. Freaking way. Even like you're whispering. Bro, like, it's like if you lose this, it's not a losing day, bro. It's like your break even just didn't hit break even, dog. You just didn't hit break even. That's what it felt like. So, you gotta go faster because the 15-minute would close by that time. Yeah, would close by that time. So you gotta tick now or what? You gotta top ticket now. It already hit the rejection block. Oh my days. Oh my days. If that worked, that is sad. No, it's gonna go back. It's gonna go back, guys. Yeah. Just trust the strategy. Trust the strategy, guys. If this doesn't get tagged, I don't really mind, guys. It's not even my strategy. How to use it. This looks like a Powell. It's like a Powell thing. It's like a universal Powell thing, guys, you know. Kind of make trading a little bit more fun. Just gotta make trading a little bit more fun. Just a little bit. But I think it's gonna work. Oh my days. Oh my days. What if I put it here? Oh my days. That is fine. I'm gonna remove it now. Uh, that's initially, what was my order? I think it was like right here, then my stops up there. I would get stopped out. Yeah, so it's fine. It's definitely fine. It's fine for me. It's not a huge deal. Um, but at least maybe like, rejection blocks work, you know, for the people who trade rejection blocks. What's up? It's very rejection blocky. This one is a little too thick, I guess. Yeah, I like it to be little bit like not visible. If you take rejection blocks, you have this marked out with color yellow, like really fit, and then get this right here. You probably go to CE, so you might not got filled there, and you're probably aiming for the moons and stars. So, I mean, if you just aim for this, still getting edge at the moment. Um, right now I'm bullish, so I don't really want to short that no more, right? It's got value to still short, not anymore, right? That's like me being looking like a moron for doing, right? Isn't it? What if I was still here? I'm not yet tagged in. If I was here, what if I tagged in with one micro or one micro ain't enough? Is this really gonna be the high of the day, dog? Because if it is, it's something little things. I wanna go like one mini. Do it now. Sell limit in. One micro in. Oh, I'm out literally in one tick. Don't do that, guys. I was down, I think, I don't know, $6 on that. So I guess there's a limitation on that. Don't kind of play with it too much. So I'm just gonna read right now because this PA is pretty. See if I can get this entry here. We have this retrace on field 5 minute gap, which is also a 5 minute BPR. And if you can get this 30-second inversion off of this, which I don't think we're doing, it would probably be the 1 minute. So if the 1 minute closes below this, I'm taking this short. The 30-second closes below this in the next 10 seconds. I'm taking this short towards this hourly intermediate low. There's also this major low, but I'm not targeting that no more. You can just target this, just be done in the day, depending on how much you're risking. Um, it's pretty low. So I'm gonna go here maybe like 8 micros. Yeah, that's pretty fine. Let's see if we can get this, and I'm hopping in the maybe even just 7 micros. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 1 minute to close. If this 1 minute closes, I'm definitely hopping in here. It ain't fun. It ain't fun. Did. All right, I guess we're not gonna go lower after retracing on this until 5 minute BPR. I guess that's not enough. Maybe we want to go higher to this high. So, so this is actually a decent entry point if you want to take longs. So, yeah, actually, this is a decent entry point if you want to take longs. Let's see if we can get an entry here. Maybe like two. Just a winning day. Yeah, let's try to go. Just for a winning day. If the market would allow us to be here. I'm gonna go TP on this until 5 minute. We're just um trying to limit order on this order block and looking for this order block as well as for it to hold. Don't have that. Actually, it's a really, as I've said, it's a really perfect entry here. If I would be like on a regular day, this one's really decent to market. But yeah, um, I'm playing a little bit more on the chiller side right now because I don't really want to be risking much. I just want to make sure I get my winning days in, and that's pretty much that. Here, I don't really think it's gonna get filled anymore, but um, yeah, we're gonna remove it. I don't really see any chance or way for the market to go back here. When this rejected, I should have went and looked for a entry for longs because the reject from that was definitely so clean. That either just banked. This one is a really good trade here in my opinion. This is a typical 1 minute trade for me on a regular day, but um 5 micros here is decent, definitely. I should have tried here 5 minutes. I mean 5 micros. I'm so using micros, bro. Let's see if this is where the price we're gonna be start rejecting and just flow into the downside. Because bro, it's just like so obviously bearish due to the draw on liquidity like here. But then we're just trying to chop and giving me bullish confirmation, aka by Nasdaq. So let's see here. If this inverses, uh, okay, can we? Okay, just wait for me. We're definitely taking this low. If that inverses, wait for me. I just yeah, three. Didn't inverse. Didn't inverse. Nope. Nope. We take it on 1 minute. This looks so good. Like honestly, looks so good. Really don't want it. You don't want it. Nah, that is played for a little bit too much.